What's up, everybody? This is DevHawk36 here, and Halo PC is coming to a close. At least the Gamespy master servers are. And recently there was a petition for getting it on Steam, so felt like making a video talking about some things that I'd like to see if Halo PC does make it to Steam. Obviously, I'd love to see some workshop integration. The Halo PC or the Halo CE custom edition community has put a lot of work in. I know halofiles.org and another website, I can't think, halomaps.org I think is the one I'm thinking of. But anyway, they have tons of files, and it'd be great to have the ability to upload those to the workshop and use that as the hub, and kind of take things over. And it also bring a lot more advertising to the people who do Halo mods and the Halo modding. Some things that do need to be fixed if it does come over to Halo PC is the resolution and the field of view fixes. Right now, the game runs at 1080p, but it doesn't run at the natural field of view that we're used to in a Halo game. You actually have to it's really zoomed in when you play it in a widescreen, and it's awful. It's really bad. Only at 1080p as far as I could tell. Some other resolutions are messed up too. A lot of that has been fixed thanks to the Halo maps, or I can't remember, the open sauce community. The people who put open sauce together, I think they work with the custom map team. They made open sauce, which is pretty much updated the Halo PC engine and allowed for like better modding and tools. And something in there that is built into the open sauce is the field of view fixer, which allows you to like zoom out and change where your weapon is, and that's really cool, and I really like to see that in the main game. Hopefully Microsoft, I'd love it if Microsoft would like pick you guys up and help like hire you guys to get that into the game if they put it out on Steam, or at least take your idea and give you credit for it. That'd be really awesome. That's some things I'd like to see. Also, the open source downloader, I'd like to see that built into Steam. I think that'd be a must if it came to Steam. Just having the ability to download the maps right from the server, right as you connect to it, something that's been in other PC games like forever, would be really great. It's something that wasn't in native Halo Custom Edition, and something that would really help with getting maps around and building the community back up for Halo PC. Another thing, some other things. What are some other things? Yeah, just some of those are just some things that I would really like to see in Steam. Just community built in, some of the stuff that's been put into things like Age of Empires or Age of Mythology, which just came out. Just the workshop. HD textures would be great. It'd be awesome if they did. If they could make Halo Anniversary work for the PC, so you could have that updated texture palette if you wanted it or not. Obviously, there should still be multiplayer, because that was a problem. Anyways, I think that just about covers it. Fix the field of view, and get workshop support and dedicated servers that allow the people to connect to it, to the server browser, allow them to download that map. That'd be really great. Hope to see this happen. I'd love to see Halo PC and Halo 2 like go to Steam. There's a lot of leaks going around for it. I think last year, or it was at the end of last year, when we saw Steam database updates for Halo 3, Halo 2, and Halo 1. Recently we saw Halo Spartan Assault. That came out on Steam. That's really exciting. Super excited to see that. I played it a little bit. Works really well. I'm glad they uncapped the frame rate. That's a big plus in my book, because that was something really bad about Halo 2. They capped it at 60 frames per second. It was just awful. You shouldn't. I don't understand quite why you would ever want that on a PC game. I understand that when games being made for consoles, they need to be optimized to run on that hardware, and capping the frame rate is a way that developers can work around the limitations of it and get things working for it. So, but when you port it to PC, please uncap it. Halo PC, we don't have to worry about that with Halo PC, but anyways, yeah, hopefully we can get Halo PC going. I signed the petition. Make sure you sign the petition. I'll put the link in the description. If anything, the petition shows that there's demand for it, and hopefully they can just put it back on and maybe get a easy server browser going for it. I mean, all we really want is just a master. All we really need is a master server. I mean, the open source stuff is already there for us to use. So if we could just get a server browser through Steam and allow friend connections, that'd be wonderful. Yeah, I think I'll wrap it up there. Hopefully we'll see something coming, and make sure you sign the petition. And if you the servers aren't shutting down to May 31st, so make sure get on them and get your last couple games going. From what I've read, a couple people have mentioned that you can still connect to IPs. You can still connect to your friend's IP or the server's IP. So multiplayer will still be available. Obviously, you can still use OpenSauce in those multiplayer and the field of view adjustments. So the only thing really going down, from my understanding, is the master server. So, but hopefully they can just ship it to Steam, get Steam running the master servers, and we're gonna have Halo PC back. I'll wrap it up there. Have a good day. Peace.